Hello, my name is Alberto SOLIS. I'm coming from Mexico. I actually work for Nemak Mexico. My activities are joining technology engineer, basically, and we are looking for or joining technology around the world to install in Nemak plant. Basically, the FSW technology is the possibility that when you weld, don't degrade the material as the R process or other welding or joint technology. The main advantage that we see at Stirweld is the intercambiability and the flexibility that the head provides us compared with the dedicated machine. Just talking about the couple of days that I spent here, it has been a enriched and very knowledgeable experience, and in fact it's a good supplier. Probably we can develop more in the future.